अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन अबिल क़ासिम मुहम्मद वालिहि तय्यबीन ताहिरीन अल-मासूमीन। अम्मा बाद फ़क़द क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़ी क़ुरआनिल मजीद। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कुल्लु नफ्सिन ज़ाइक़तुल मौत। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। सलावत। In the name of Almighty Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. Everyone has to taste the taste of death. This world is a temporary abode. It's like a guest house. When eventually everyone has to accept the death, why not to do all the preparation and willingness with which you can welcome death? In my earlier speeches, I have explained to you about 7 to 8 tips how you can welcome death with all preparation, namely to do good deeds, to keep your vasiyatnama ready, to seek forgiveness from those to whom you have hurted, to go to the graveyard often, and to go to bed at night thinking the last night of your life and taking care of your namaz and performing tawbah with a firm determination that I will not repeat the sinful act. And yesterday I explained to you about the Quran, how the full night listening of Quran will help you accept the death with all the willingness. Now today I would like to impress upon that of all the recommended prayers, the most powerful prayer that will help you in the departure of your spirit from your body safely, smoothly and comfortably. Your spirit will travel from your body to the unforeseen is Namaz-e-Shab, recommended prayer, Namaz-e-Shab. It has been quoted that a place, that a mosque, that a home where Namaz-e-Shab is offered, that place becomes so much illuminating and shining to the people of skies as if the people of earth look at a shining star. You want to become beautiful, you want to become charming, you want to become smart. Someone asked Imam Sajjad, why those who offer Namaz-e-Shab, their faces are charming and beautiful? Then Imam Sajjad replied, since they communicate with their Creator Almighty Allah in the darkness of night, in pin drop silence, so Allah also bestows His Noor on the face of those who offer Namaz-e-Shab. So, salams on the ladies of Karbala. These are the days when the caravan of captives and prisoners are traveling, but the ladies of Karbala are offering Namaz-e-Shab properly, because Imam Hussain, while saying goodbye to his sister, requested that, remember me in Namaz-e-Shab, remember me in Namaz-e-Shab. So for all good intention, actually it has been said that whatever are your bad habits and sinful act, never to take the first step, because the first step will take you to another step. But for all good deeds and good action, immediately take the first step. So let us tonight take the first step. If you cannot get up early in the morning, in the Fajilat time, then you can offer namaz-e-sab while going to bed. If you cannot think that you cannot offer all the 11 rakat, you can start with 2 rakat namaz-e-sifa and 1 rakat namaz-e-witr. So with all this good intention that we will take the first step of offering namaz-e-sab tonight, kindly recite salawat loudly.